Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start with the maths for standard 8. The name of the lesson is Congruence of Triangle. Congruence of Triangle. So now let's start with the properties that are given for the congruence of triangle. Okay, the first property that is SAS. That is SAS means side angle side test. Side angle side test. So let's read the property. If two sides and the included angles of a triangle are congruent with two correspondent sides and the included angles of the another triangle, then the angles are congruent to each other. It means it says that two sides and the angle of a triangle are congruent. Okay, if two triangles are there, two sides are same and one angle is also same. Okay, then both the triangles are congruent to each other. If triangle A, let us assume triangle A and triangle B. Okay, triangle A, let me draw here. Okay, this and this triangle. Okay, in that one side SS, this S we got S, another to A. So this angle, okay, angle here also angle we got this is a A, and one more side S. So SAS test, SAS test. Okay. Now let's move on to the next SSS test, triple S test. Okay, it means three sides of a triangle are congruent with three corresponding sides of another triangle. Then two triangles are congruent. Then two triangles are congruent. Okay, if दोनों side same है, listen clearly. If two sides are same, okay, this first side same, second side also same, and third side would be also same. Okay, then the triangle is called SSS test, side 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 test. Okay, side 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 test, then both the triangles are congruent. Now next, ASA test means angle side angle. This is angle side angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle. So what they are told, if two angles of a triangle and one side included by them are congruent with two corresponding angles and one side included by them on the another triangle, means एक triangle का draw here for the clear understanding. Two triangles are there, correct? In that angle same and this side is same. Okay, two angles and one side. So angle side angle test, angle side angle test. Okay, angle side angle test. Now fourth property, that is angle side test, angle side test. So in that they have told if two angles of a triangle and a one side is not included by them are congruent with the corresponding angles and corresponding sides not included by them of the another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, two angles are same but one side is not same. Angle same है but side same नहीं है. In another hand, same sides are same but angles are different. So AAAS means angle side test. Okay. Now the fifth property, that is hypotenuse side test. Okay, hypotenuse side test. If the hypotenuse and the side of a right angle triangle are congruent with hypotenuse, correct, and the corresponding side of another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are congruent with each other. दोनों triangle congruent to each other because a corresponding side say a- and it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means hypotenuse side. It is fixed. Okay. From that they have told corresponding sides of the another right angle triangle. दोनों triangle right angle ही है and in that sides are also same. Then it is called hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the textbook part. So we'll solve one problem based on it. Students, ensure that I am dictating the question. You write in your notebook. In in adjacent triangle or figure, congruent sides of rectangular ABCD, rectangular ABCD are shown by identical marks. Okay, identical marks state if there are any pairs state if there are any pairs of congruent angle in figures. Okay, this is the question. So written here. Okay, copy in your notebook. Now let's move on to the solution part. So let's draw the diagram first. A B C D. A B C D. Okay. In this, they form a two triangles, forming a two triangles. Okay. Now let's move to the solution part now. That is in triangle ABD and triangle CBD. In triangle ABD and CBD. In this, which side is common? Write in the chat section which side is common. Yes, side AB and AB, side BC is common because they are given a same length. See, this is also one stick line, one mark line. This is also one mark line. This two mark means they are same. So, what is the sign of congruent? Congruent sign is always, remember, two lines, parallel lines in that S. Okay, it's like a S. Figure is like a S. Okay, it's a sign of congruent. Sign of congruent. Okay, side AB is congruent to side BC. Okay, now next one, side DA is congruent to side DC. Side DC. In this, BD is common, correct? For both the triangle, BD is common. Okay, so now which test should be same? एक side हो गया first side. Let me highlight this so you can get a clear understanding. This side, this also side, common side, this also side means SSS test. Okay, SSS test. Side, side, side test. So the solution part. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD, that is SSS test. Okay, SSS test. Next, angle ABD is congruent to angle CBD. CBD. One more angle is same. Angle ADB is congruent to CDB. Correct. And one more, BAD is congruent to triangle BCD. Is congruent to triangle BCD. So the property for all these three, write in your notebook. I am dictating. Write in your notebook. Right here. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Because this triangle we have proved. Okay, this is congruent. Okay, so angles also we proved as a congruent. Corresponding angles of a congruent triangle. Okay, corresponding angle of a congruent triangle. Now let's move on to the next question. Right there, state the test by which of the following triangles are congruent. Which of the following are congruent? Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the solution part. Let me draw a diagram. M S T B. M S T B. Okay. In this, from a right angle, in a rectangular, we have drawn a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangles forming a right angle triangle, as you can name, that is in triangle MST and MBT is forming a right angle triangle. So in triangle MST and triangle MBT are right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. So let's find. So what property we have did here? Right angle triangle, which is hypotenuse side. We'll take this one, hypotenuse side. Okay. Now that is hypotenuse HYP, hypotenuse MT. MT is parallel to, sorry, it's not parallel, that is congruent to hypotenuse. Which one? Students, write in the chat section which would be parallel. That is TM. T hypotenuse TM. And one more, they have given in the specified that the properties, that is side MS is congruent to side BT, is congruent to side BT. So by hypotenuse side test, two sides we got no same. So by hypotenuse side test, side test, triangle MST is congruent to triangle MBT, is congruent to triangle MBT. Okay. Now one more, same question would be same, but diagram I will change. P Q R S T. Okay, P Q R S T. This side and this, you will understand the diagram which I have given, which I marked, means So which sides are same with a single line is same, double line and double line are same. Okay, in this we are forming a two triangles. In triangle PQR and triangle STR, PQR and STR. Okay, that is side PR is congruent to side TR, congruent to side TR. Let me write all, then I will explain you. And angle PRQ is congruent to triangle STR, and one more, side QR is congruent. Okay, it's a congruent sign. Side side SR. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, so side PR, this is side PR, is congruent to side TR. Correct? We are already gave a sign, that is this side is same. Okay, ये side हो गया. One more, angle PRQ and SRT is same because दोनों का mid point same है. दोनों का middle point is same. Another side okay, that is side QR and RS is same. Okay, so which test? Yes, student, which test? Side and side angle side test. First one, two sides and one angle. वही हो ना, two sides and one angle same. See this property and this property, it's same. Pause the video, read once again. Okay, now this one same. So the solution part for this, that is by SAS test, by SAS test. Let me clear the light. Triangle PQR, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STR. PQR is congruent to triangle STR. Okay, I think you have understood how we solve by the properties of SAS test. SAS test. Earlier we did by hypotenuse side, and earlier we did by SSS test, side test. Okay, one more, this is remaining. So question would be the same, only diagram will be changed. Okay, don't go for the diagram, it might be not clear, but it's forming a triangle. Okay, it's forming a triangle. Let me clearly do. Let me do here. Yes, this is the correct one. That is DHCF. Okay, it's a cross mark in between and the congruent side, angle side. Now it is forming a two triangle. Now let's set a solution in triangle DCH and triangle DCF, DCH and DCF, which is same angle C, same here. Okay, angle C is same. So DHC is congruent. DHC is congruent to DFC. DFC. Okay. One more. Angle HCD is congruent to angle FCD. FCD and side DC is congruent to side CD. Congruent to side CD. Now let me explain this one once again. That is, as given in the question, they have given a mark that this angle and this angle is same. Okay, angle we did. In between, one more angle we got. This angle, one हो गया, correct? And this will be the second angle we are getting same, correct? And third, this is a common line in between. Common line है ना in between. So we got as angle angle side, which is that property, angle side, fourth, AAS test. Okay, now let's write by AA test, by by AAS test, triangle DCH is congruent to triangle DCF, is congruent to triangle DCF. Okay, understood, students? First we go first students revise this formula. There are total four formulas, sorry, five formulas. Okay, that is SAS test, SSS test, ASA test, AAS test, and hypotenuse side test. Okay, so in this we are playing with the angles and sides. Okay, in congruence of triangle we are playing with the angles and sides. So always remember, side test means all sides should be same. Side angles, side means two sides in between one angle should be same. Third, ASA means angle side angle. It means two angles in between one side should be same. And one more, that is AS means two angles and side. Okay, two angles and side. And the fifth one, that is hypotenuse, which everyone will be familiar with. That is right angle triangle. It's very easy. One angle should be 90 degree. Okay, and the another side should be same. one angle should be 90 degree, another side should be same. If the triangle comes to the 90 degree, then you should assume that it's the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse may only two properties you require, that is hypotenuse sides and right angle triangle. Hypotenuse sides and right angle triangle. Pause the video, read all these thorough with this all the properties, okay? Then note all the sums which you have did, okay? Questions also I have written here, do not worry. Okay, these are the sums we did while seeing for the property. Okay, so to the next part of the congruence, we'll continue with the next part of the video. Till that time, bye. Please like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye everyone. Stay home, stay safe.